So you want to run Facebook ads but don't know where to start from, or you have a very low budget. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to run a low budget Facebook ads or how to implement them, what audience to go after, what kind of audience you need, how to structure those ads so that if you invest around $1,000 to $500, you can easily make $3,000 to $4,000 in revenue, and you can get easily results like this 6x ROS even in 2024. So let's jump into that. For those who are new to my channel, my name is Divyang and I am running Facebook ads from 2020 and able to help out many e-commerce and many lead generation business and able to generate more than 45 million in revenue for my clients. So if you need help from me regarding your Facebook ads, you can reach out to me using the link in description. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. So if you are in e-commerce space and want to generate sales for your online business, whether you are in footwear niche or clothing niche or pet foods niche or any kind of niche that you are in and running ads for your e-commerce business, you can implement these strategies and you can even get 6x ROS using this strategy even in 2024. Let's jump into my screen and I'll show you each and everything in detail. So when you are on low budget or you are just starting off, you don't have that kind of budget. Let's suppose for this video sake you have $1,000 to run ads for, right? You can divide it by 30 and you will get $30. 30 you can do between $30 to $35 according to your needs. So we have around $30 to spend in a day. How we're going to do that? Let me show you the roadmap. This is our campaign level. We are not going to choose CBO and we will be opting for ABO only, where we are spending budget on ad set level. I'll show you each and everything in my ads manager. I'm just walking you through how to run the ads for this. So you have a campaign level and then we will go to the ad set level. On ad set level, what kind of audience we are going to choose? First audience we are going to choose is open audience, where we are not selecting any kind of interest, custom audiences, lookalike audiences, just age and gender. That's it, and the location. Apart from that, we are not going to choose any kind of interest on and other stuff. On the ad set 2 level, we are going to choose interest. And interest where minimum audience is 2 million. Previously we can choose lesser amount of audiences also, but Facebook has recommended now to go with broader audiences with the minimum of 2 million in the audience size. So we have $30. We can introduce one more interest, right? So there will be three ad sets where one is open, ad set 2 is of interest, ad set 3 is of another interest, 2 million plus in audience size. This video is dedicated for the that purpose only, that we are going to choose for the low budget. But if you are an intermediate or an advanced level of media buyer and just want to brushing up your knowledge, or you are a business owner who have a very big budget, then what you can do is these marketing fundamentals remain same whether you are low budget or a high budget. If you are a high budget client spending around 10k 20k, and you will start testing these interests and these ads with $5 or $10 or $50, you won't get anything, even if you get some kind of result, but those results won't matter to you because those results won't affect your sales, because those sales which are coming through those ads will be very small. So if you have a bigger budget, then go with the $200 or more than that. Or if you are on low budget, then go with the $10 or $20 per ad set, right? Here we are creating three ad sets of $10 each that will lead to $30. What kind of ads needs to be there? We will discuss that part in later. But there are now two options to create ads. If you have multiple variations of the videos or the creatives, then you can go with the dynamic ads. But if you are concerned with two videos and one images only, or very less ad creatives, then you should go with the manual option. Add 1, add 2, add 3 with ad set 1, add 1, add 2, add 3, ad set 2, and add 1, add 2, add 3 for ad set 3. So you can, if you have multiple variation of a single video, right? And you just want to test out different marketing angles, then you should go with the dynamic ads. If you don't have multiple options and don't have lot of ad variations, then go stick with the manual. Create 3 to 2 or 4 ads according to the ad creatives that are available to you and run the ads for. This is how we are going to run the ads. If you want to test out the new advertisements, you can test out with using this. If you are just starting out, you can start running ads using this structure. This structure will help you see things really clearly, what kind of things are working, what kind of things are not working. This will open your mind and give you much better perspective while running Facebook ads. I'll just walk you through how to create the campaigns and all that stuff. Hit the create button, and these are some campaign objectives that you can use. So we are running sales campaign for e-commerce business, for our lead generation business or service based industry. Here we are running sales campaign for our e-commerce. We're going to hit the sales button. If you have any kind of requirements, like if you want your brand awareness, if you want traffic on your website, or if you want engagement, if you want leads, if you want to promote your app, you can go with those options. Choosing a campaign objective is crucial because you are asking Facebook to get you sales, leads, engagement, awareness. So if you running a awareness campaign, you cannot expect from Facebook to get you sales. If you are looking for leads and running traffic campaign, then you won't get those things, right? So it is very obvious, whatever you choose, you will get the same. So hit the sales button. Now you will get the two options: advantage plus shopping, manual sales campaign. If you're running Facebook ads from very long time, then you should go with the advantage plus shopping campaign. But I am generally using manual sales campaign because it is giving me much better control over my ads. Hit the manual sales campaign. In sales campaign, we are, if you are running ads for these type of category, this type of business, then you should choose this. If you don't choose these categories, your Facebook ads will get rejected. We are not using advantage plus catalog ads. We are not doing A/B testings. We are not going for advantage campaign budget, that is other name of CBO. First audience, we will be going with the open audience, right? And you can just put in the name of any specific age group or women. If not, then just keep it open, right? So let's choose the correct pixel and choose the correct conversion event, that is purchase. So there is one more point, like if you are running a sales campaign and you choose conversion event as payment info, add to cart, initiate checkout, search, view content, then also you won't get the purchases. If you want sales from your e-commerce business, then you need to choose sales campaign and then choose the conversion event as the purchase. This is a must thing. You cannot skip this part. If you don't choose any conversion event, you won't get any result. So you need to choose conversion event, that is purchase, if you looking for sales, and that is all we are looking for. So as I mentioned you, if you have lot of creatives and you can create lot of variation of the ads, you can go with the dynamic creatives. You need to opt for this on the ad set level. And if you don't have lot of ads ad variation, you can just stick to the basic manual ad creation part. $10. Choose the correct location. Here we are starting getting advantage plus audience, that is Facebook is recommending you to choose this option, but I would suggest you to go with the switch to original audiences, because right now we are just starting new, and we don't have any previous data also, and we cannot just use the advantage plus audience, because Facebook needs to have some kind of data to use that feature properly. But as we are starting off as a new, you have previous data, then you can go with that. If you don't have, then choose the original audiences and go with that. So if you have a female footwear brand, you should go with the women's, and if you have a men related brand, then go to the men. So I'll just rename it. As we are running ads in the USA, then you can put US, and that's it. Now we are going to create another audiences. Now it's, if we are choosing a e-commerce brand, and if we are running ads for some kind of women related brand, then you should go with the interests that are with similar keywords. Like if it is a clothing brand, type in your interest keywords in this area and you will get some kind of suggestion from Facebook, and choose the audience that is really big in number. It's really above 2 million, so we'll go with that. Online shopping, and then choose the women. We are going to put this interest as the name of the ad set so that we know what kind of interest we are targeting. Duplicate this ad set. We have another $10 that we can use. Another interest, you can use shopping or clothing or fashion accessories. My niche is related to the clothing, so I'm opting for clothing. Now you have three ad sets spending around $10 on each ad set, and that leads to $30. Now we are on ad level. We are going to create three ads in each ad set. Right, so we have three ads that we're going to create with this primary text one. You can just put in your information, and Facebook will generate you ad copies on this primary level also and a headline level also. So we can going to put text over here. We are going to we don't need to put text over in the description, but if you have, you can just put it down, some kind of free delivery and free shipping, that kind of stuff. Right, we are going to put the call to action as a shop now. Right, we can put some kind of information. If you have any kind of coupon code on your website, then you put the code over here, first 15 something. You can use the code whatever you have. Put in the link. You have to set up the URL parameters that will help you to track your purchase on website level. Choose sites now. Campaign name, ad name. So if Facebook is not able to track your purchases, you can see on the Shopify or your website dashboard, so where your sale is coming from, whether it's from ad 1, ad 2, or from which audience or which ad set that you are running off. Right, so after putting these three ads in all the in on all the ad sets, you will have something like this. I'll just show you. So if you see this on the broader level, you will see how your ad is going to look in ads manager. We are not using CBO here. The main reason that we are not using the CBO on this campaign level is because CBO tend to spend the money on the most bigger audience size. If we are running an open audience in the ad set level, Facebook generally spend most of your money on that. Then Facebook will not spend money on those two other interests. So to avoid that automation, we are choosing the manual, and we are putting ad budgets on the ad level. So each and every individual ad set have a particular budget that they are going to spend, and they are going to evenly spread the budget between the ad sets and between the ads also. So whatever the ad is performed, Facebook will tend to spend money on those ad. From there you will have the clear picture that which ad is working, which kind of ad is not working, and that will become your base point to create further ads, your best performing ad. You can use that ad as the baseline for your new ads and create more and more over there. I hope you get some kind of value out of this, and it will surely help you in running Facebook ads for your e-commerce business or lead generation. Even if it's a lead generation business, you can use it simply as it is. There is nothing to be changed. Just start with this and you will see whatever ad set is performing, just increase 25% of that budget. Do not disturb that ad set, right? And just keep on increasing the 25% of budget within 3 to 4 days of running ads. So that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if you like this video, just hit the like button. Thank you so much.